Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and in a recent poll in a room of about 12.5 Norton Commando owners, something became very apparent that half of them did not know that the seat securing knob is actually retained on the bike. There was looks of astonishment when I said that remember to get the roll pin and fit them on so they stay captive. Now, I'm always of the opinion that everyone would know this, but quite clearly they don't. And we even had a phone call this week where someone didn't know that the roll pin fits in a little hole just behind the main part of the seat knob. It's dead easy to replace. You could just knock it out with a punch. We even sell the correct size punch, little punch to knock it out. And we even sell the roll pins to fit the new ones, or to replace your existing ones if you've still got your original seat knobs. It's a dead easy job to do, and it saves these bouncing down the road, hitting the car behind you or disappearing off into the edge, and then it saves you the hassle of you having to then either try to find it or just ordering a new one. We stock all these pieces and we actually sell quite a few of these seat knobs, so that survey in a room in the show of hands is most probably more widespread amongst other Norton owners. If you've got any queries on these parts, please feel free to contact myself and Simon. And I've put them on here with the actual part numbers, and we will get those added to the actual video at the end of this one. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ring myself or Simon at Andover Norton, and we'll do our best to try and help you. Thank you very much.